Imagine a world where every building and every piece of machinery worked with flawless precision from day one. No malfunctions, no downtime, just seamless operation. This isn't a futuristic fantasy, it's the power of commissioning in action. Commissioning is a quality-oriented process for achieving, verifying, and documenting that the performance of facilities, systems, and assemblies meets defined objectives and criteria. It is vital for ensuring that all systems and components of a building or industrial plant are designed, installed, tested, operated, and maintained according to the operational requirements of the owner. In data centers, commissioning is crucial for ensuring the reliability and efficiency of operations. This process helps in minimizing downtime and ensures that all systems, like power and cooling, operate effectively, which is critical for data center uptime and data security. For the semiconductor industry, commissioning is key to maintaining precision and quality control. This process ensures that the sophisticated equipment used in semiconductor manufacturing operates at peak efficiency, which is essential for producing high-quality semiconductor products. The main types of commissioning include design, construction, startup, retro-commissioning, building commissioning, and continuous commissioning. Each type addresses different phases in the life cycle of a facility, from planning and design to operation and maintenance. Commissioning offers numerous benefits, such as improved system performance, enhanced energy efficiency, reduced operating costs, and extended equipment life. It also contributes to sustainability by ensuring that facilities use resources efficiently and responsibly. At LotusWorks, we specialize in providing commissioning services tailored to the specific needs of our clients. The areas of commissioning LotusWorks operate include new construction commissioning, existing building commissioning, retro commissioning, ongoing commissioning, monitoring-based commissioning, system-specific commissioning, building enclosure commissioning. The commissioning activities LotusWorks specialize in are progression of OPR and BOD documents, review of pre-design and design for compliance, systems maintainability and scope gap analysis, review of commissioning-related project specifications, construction phase, commissioning summary reports, issues management, enhanced commissioning activities to support lead projects, ongoing commissioning and facilities optimization, systems manuals review, warranty and maintenance tracking. With a client-focused and partnership approach to commissioning service delivery, LotusWorks prioritizes open communication and collaboration. We strive to build long-term partnerships, delivering exceptional results that exceed expectations, making LotusWorks the strategic partner of choice. Now that you've seen the incredible impact of commissioning in high-tech industries, it's your turn to take action. If you're intrigued by how commissioning can enhance efficiency and reliability in your projects, LotusWorks is your go-to expert. Located in the US, Ireland, and Europe, LotusWorks is known as a leader in the commissioning space in the data center, semiconductor, construction and engineering, pharmaceutical biologics, and medical device sectors. For further information, reach out to our commissioning experts today